What up everyone, in this video we're going to check how to assign a foreign key, okay, in a one table to another in phpmyadmin. So basically, what is a foreign key? Right, foreign key, type here foreign key. So basically a foreign key is it's just a column in a table which points to another column. It is a column in a table pointing to a column with unique values in another table. Okay, so let us assume that we have two tables. Now for this case, I assume that I've created a simple database of a color system. So one table has details table that has ID, car name, and car type, and the other table price name that is ID, price, car ID. So the aim of foreign key is to link one table to another. So let us, instead of creating one whole table which has information, detailed information, and price information, now I have the ability to branch out the same table in such a way that the price table will link to the details table through the car ID. If I keep here car ID of 1, basically this one presents the first row, okay, of the details table. Now that is what foreign does. Foreign key helps in connecting two different tables through a specific column. That is the meaning of foreign key. Now let us see how can we apply at the concept of foreign key in PHP. Now basically the best way to do, one of the ways that people usually do but fail is that you can come here to relation view, and let us say that now what you're going to do is that we want to make this column be connected to this table. So in such a way that if this column B, the car ID is 1, basically it's going to represent this one in the D in this row of this table. Okay, let us see. What you can do is that you can go to this table, then you come to SQL. Now here in SQL, you can write this. I will explain it. This means that alter table price. Alter means we're going to modify it. The way it works, price means our table. We are going to add now a constraint, which is going to be FK price. Now foreign key car ID. Now this, we're going to state the column which you want to be a foreign key. In this case, we want, cannot leave. So we want that our column, our car ID column, okay, is going to reference what? It's going to reference the ID column which is in the details table. Okay, on delete set now. So in this case, if the ID, if the number in car ID which is in the price table is 1, basically we are referencing the one which is in the ID table in that way, in such a sense that it is the first row. Now remember to untick the enable foreign checks. Okay, then you click go. Let's see what you have. Okay, it says fail price table incorrect option. Let me see. Alter table price and constant. Okay, foreign ID. This is details. Set now. That may be the issue. Price. Failed to add the constant to price and correct option. Let us see. Issue may be on have you seen here? Issue may be incorrect data type. So they all have to have the correct data type. Let me put int. Okay. And let me set save. Okay. Let us try one more time, because if it references things that have different that have different data types, it may also cause error. It's like the references mango to potatoes. Let us see. Then boom. So right now it means that this column directly references this column in such a way from this column get the information of a particular log. Now let us zoom. If you come here, now you can see, if you hover here, this is set as a foreign key. I want us to insert something. Let us add B1, price, let's say it's 1000, ID. You see now it comes. If I say 1, like let go, see price. So basically, if I hover, very fantastic. So it means in our details table, right, we have this, details table, we have one information currently, 1, Suzuki and petrol. So in the price table, this column will reference, 1 will actually reference the first column of the petrol in the first column of the details table. Now watch when I click here, watch when I click here. So it takes me to the first column. Now let us try to add a second row, and name let me call Toyota. That type diesel. Okay. So we have added the second. Now I want to add price. So if I go to insert D2, price 3000, car ID. So if I set the car ID of 2, it means that this car ID will reference the second column of the table that it references, such a way it is 2. And you can clearly see that when I press here, automatically phpmyadmin selects from car detail where the ID is 2. This way, in such a sense that the ID that is 2 is the one is here. So using the concept of foreign, it easily allows you interconnect tables. Instead of keeping all information in one table, you can simply branch out in such a way that you create these interlinking networks with each other. There is a place where you can go and review. I think I forgot, but maybe another day I'll show it. But that's the basic meaning of creating a foreign key. So the foreign key just is a column which allows to interlink the column which is another table, which is in another table. So in this column, through this column, by just providing the ID, we get the information of the arrow of the other column. So that's the